Hello geeks! Today I will talk about the bot functionality in the Zendesk. Bot is the feature of AI agent. AI agents are the next generation of AI powered bots that automate and resolve your customers' issues and customer problems across the service channel. Using the bot functionality, you can answer to your customers about their question or they do any kind of query about your product, about your services, or they want to know something that is related to your service you provide them. Let's see how can I enable it and then I will configure it. When we see a feature practically, then we can understand it better. If you have two brands, it will automatically show in the classic web widget. So this is my admin center, channels, web widget. I have two brands. This is my main brand. I'll select it. Enable chat. Save. Turn on messaging. So dear geeks, I have already told you about the messaging and configuration, so you can see my previous video for this. I will jump into the next step. So let's go. Click bots. Currently I don't have any active bot, so let's create new one. Create bot name. It would be it just for the testing, and it is just for the example to make you understand how can we enable and how can we configure it. So that's why I give it a name, test bot. Select your brand and then click next. Okay, so you can select any avatar. Click next. You can select any language from this drop down. Generative AI, it enable it. What's the meaning of generative AI? As I have told you before, AI agents are the next generation of AI powered bots. So it has two options: generative replies, bot persona. Generative reply, it means you must have the active help center and there must be the articles based on your customer questions or customer query. When your customer asks a question and or any kind of query, then generative AI gives article link that matches to that customer's question. And bot persona, it means when you enable bot persona in the setting, it gives a tone to your AI generated reply for your customers. You will have emojis to express feeling of that reply, and bot persona gives a voice to your brand. There are three options, you can select one of them that suits your brand. So let's see how can I work with this. First we need to create bot. Go back to the settings. This is the basic name. Okay, line where you have selected persona. So as I told you before, it has three options: professional, friendly and payful. It is based on your product. If your product is a game, if your product is a e-commerce website, or something different, you can select any option from here that suits your brand. Okay, and allow emojis, so you can select, you see, you can read, select up to 20 emojis your brand, your bot can use. Like this, you can select 20 emojis. Okay, it is optional. You can see also you options. Professional, welcome, I am Joyce Coffee Bot, how can I help you? It is the professional way, it is replying to you as in a professional way. Friendly, hi, I am Joyce Coffee, got a question, I am here to help. It is a very friendly way as you can read this message. And playful, so it is work like this. Okay, it depends what kind of product you have. So hope you understand. Channel, this is my brand. Always show title and preview. Articles, no. Web widget. So it is the channel which I am going to select. Now go to the behavior. Greeting message. Send a greeting and suggest answers. You can change this message. I will not change. Next is generate variations. It means when you work with the generative AI, you have to enable it. Okay. Answers. Currently, I have only single pre-built answer. Talk to human. Okay. Start with the answer. If I select this, then directly this message goes to the bot. Okay. No greeting message and all. But first, I want to share the greeting message, so I'll select first option. Second one is if the bot finds relevant article. You don't need to do anything here because I have already enabled the generative AI as you have seen before. After the bot answer, great knowledge is power. You can ask me this message. You can change this if the answer is helpful. If the answer is not helpful, then this message would be shown. Okay, no problem. Generate variation as I have told you before. um, if you want to work with the generative AI, you have to enable this option. Same, the same here. If the bot needs clarification, ask a customer to provide more info or refresh question. So if you work with this option, so first you can read to access turn off generate reply under if the bot finds relevant. Where is it? This. You need to select another option. Okay. Then select and ask customers to provide more info or refresh questions. I hope you guys understand. You can write anything here, whatever you want. But we are working with the generative AI. I don't need this option currently. Okay, go back to the this option, enable it. Okay, last option is if the bot can't answer the question, you can change this. Okay, the option is same as I have told you before, and it is also same. Okay, now first we need to test the bot. Enter any query. I have articles. Okay, help center. Okay, you can see, so it is working perfectly. Okay, you can see this is the article. I enter help center, so you can see this is the text and this is the link of that article. You can click here. This is my help center and this is the article which I have already written. Okay, you can see help center text. And also, was this helpful? If I say yes, great, knowledge is power. You can ask me another question at any time. So, did you understand? See, after the bot has answered. Now you can see here helpful. Was this article helpful? I clicked yes. Great, knowledge is power. You can ask me another question at any time. So, this is the text. Okay, I hope you guys understand. The time is for publishing. Publish the bot. Published. Go to your help center. You can see here. Click here. Generated by AI. If I click talk to human, we are offline right now. Leave your details so we can get back to you. They write here. Table of content, TOC. Unfortunately, I couldn't find an answer to your question. Here are some topics that might be helpful instead. Okay. So hope you guys understand. So thanks for watching.